last property which we have done, last property of GP which we have done was that if ABC are in GP, then we have B by A will be C by B, or I should say B square is coming AC. We have B square is equal to AC. This was the property last we have done. Next property, write down please. If the terms of a given GP, if the terms of a given GP are taken at regular intervals, then the new sequence so formed, also form a GP. What it says, just check here. AR square, AR cube, so on we have. This is a GP. If I take the terms at equal interval means, for example, we'll take first term, then third term, then fifth term. That way if you go, then these terms which you will select, they will form a GP. So at the regular interval or equal interval, if you are taking the terms, we will say they will be forming a GP. Next property, write down please. If AR square are in GP, then if I take log of all, log of A, log of AR, log of AR square, log of AR cube, then they
It's an AP.
AP. Then they will form an AP. How it is? Just check. We can write this as log of A. Here we write as log of A plus log of R. Next will come log of A plus log of R square को आप लिखेंगे 2 log of R. Then we'll write this is log of A plus thrice log of R, so on it. So first term is log A, second term is log A plus log R, third will be log A plus 2 log R, then log A plus 3 log R. That means A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. So yes, it will be coming as AP. So if you take the terms and take log on of all GP terms, then we will be having this as AP. Now coming on questions on it. Now write down questions on it. Yes, please. Write first question now. If P, Q, R are in AP, if P, Q, and R, they are in AP, then show that Pth term, Qth term, and Rth term of a GP are also in GP. P, Q, R are in AP. This is given in the question. P, Q and R are in AP. Then if I take Pth term of any GP, Qth term of any GP, same GP, and Rth term of the same GP. We are taking one GP and we'll take the Pth term, we'll take Qth term, we'll take Rth term. Then question says that these three are also form a GP. So if these three are in GP, what I have to show? I have to show that the multiple of these two must be square of this. So how to do this? Just check. First, the condition in PQR in AP means that condition we have is twice Q is P plus R. ये तो आपको दिया हुआ है. Now I go for these terms of GP. It will come A R P minus 1. This will come A R Q minus 1. This will come A R R minus 1. Capital R ले लो तो small r आपका use हो रहा है. Now we want product of these two you take. That is Pth term into Rh term. This will come A R P minus 1 into A R R minus 1.
A square.
Now when you solve it, it will come A square. R power क्या आ जाएगा? P plus R minus 2.
P plus R is 2.
P plus R we have already 2Q, so I should write A square P power 2Q minus 2. Or I should say A square P power 2 common, it will be Q minus 1.
Sir, R power 1 P power.
Which one?
Sir, जो नीचे R power 1.
Which one is R power?
Sir, आपने P power 2 लिखा है वहाँ पर.
Okay, sorry, this is R, sorry. This is R power. Okay? And then we will take the whole square separate. It will come A R Q minus 1 whole square.
This is Q.
It is what? It is the Qth term whole square. Hence AP, AQ, AR are in GP. Next question please. If A, B, C, D are in GP, if A, B, C, D are in GP, then prove that A, B, C, D are in GP. We have to prove as B minus C whole square plus C minus D whole square. Sorry, C minus A. B minus C whole square plus C minus A whole square plus B minus B whole square should be equal to A minus D whole square. We have to prove this. A, B, C, D are in GP, then prove that B minus C whole square plus C minus A whole square plus D minus B whole square is A minus D whole square. This is the question we have to prove. Yes, how to do this?
Sir, A को capital लेना.
First, we will take the four terms A, AR, AR square and AR cube. These are A, B, C, D. First, I take let A will be capital A first term, B will be AR, C come out to be AR square, and D comes out to be AR cube. As they are in GP, we have taken this assumption. And now I'll start with the left hand side here and we will put the value. And we'll bring the right side. B minus C whole square. AR minus AR square whole square. Then C minus A, that will be AR square minus A. A means A only, whole square. Then D minus B, that means AR cube minus AR whole square. Then what is common in the 2? AR we can take common from it. A into R common, and when it is coming out, it will come as A square R square because whole square is here.
Square R.
So left is 1 minus R whole square. Here we will take A common, so when it will come out, it will be A square, left is R square minus 1 whole square. And third one again, I'll take AR common, so A square R square will be here, left is what? R square minus 1 whole square.
So it has R square minus 1 square on the
Which one?
second
R square minus 1 ही तो है.
whole square.
Whole square कहाँ से आएगा?
Whole square शायद ही है.
क्यों नहीं आएगा? सब पे स्क्वायर लगा हुआ है. Now what is common? A square is common on total. Now we will open the whole square. So R square is here. What this will come? 1 plus R square minus of 2R. Then comes out to be plus A square already gone out. So R4 minus 2R square plus 1. And then left is plus of R square into R power 4 minus 2R square plus 1.
R square.
कहाँ से कॉमन आ रहा है R square? Now we will simplify. R square plus R4
R
minus 2R cube. Then come out to be R power 4 minus 2R square plus 1. Then come out to be R power 6 minus 2R4 and plus of R square. Is something cancel out? R square and R squared, so 2R square gone. R4 is here, R4 is here, so 2R4 gone. Left is A square is here, then come out to be R power 6 minus 2R cube plus of 1. What this will come? A square R cube minus 1 whole square. Then we will write this as A R cube minus 1 whole square. Or you can write this as A R cube minus A whole square. A R cube आपका हो गया D, ये हो गया A. So what I get here? D minus A whole square.
So it's A minus.
And it is A minus B whole square or B minus A whole square, that is one and the same thing. So I'll write this as A minus B whole square. Next question please. Again A. Hello. हाँ जी. हाँ बोल रहा हूँ सर. हाँ सर बोले. नहीं सर नहीं. सर मेरी क्लास चल रही है, मैं बाद में बात करूंगा आपसे. ठीक है. Yes. Second part of the question is ABCD again are in GP. Then prove that AB plus BC plus CD whole square equal to A square plus B square plus C square into B square plus C square plus of D square. You have to prove this. AB plus BC plus CD whole square equal to A square plus B square plus C square into B square plus C square plus D square. You have to prove it. Again, we will start with the 4 results we have taken already. Either I'll start with this side or this side. It is better, it is expanded, so you take this form. And we will put the value here. So I start with a square plus b square plus c square into b square plus c square plus d square. A remain a only. B will be AR, so it will come a square r square. C will come a square r4. That comes out to be B means AR, so a square r square. C square means a square r power 4. B square means a square r power 6. Then we will have a square common. Left is 1 plus r square plus r4. And here we will take common is a square r square. So left is 1 plus r square plus r4. Now we will take these together. A power 4 r square. 1 plus r square plus r4 whole square. Then we will write this as a square r. 1 plus r square plus r power 4, and this is whole square. Now when you solve it, it will come out to be a square r plus a square r cube plus a square r power 5 whole square. And when you solve it, what it should be? This I can write a into ar. This I'll write ar into ar square. This I'll write ar square into ar cube. And its whole square is here. This is A, B. This is B and C. This is C and D. Whole square. Next question, write down please.
सर
Yes.
सर ये आपने होल स्क्वायर कैसा आया यहाँ पर 1 प्लस आर स्क्वायर प्लस आर एक्स पावर 4 सर होल स्क्वायर थोड़ी था यहाँ पे
तो ये दोनों में है ना, दो फैक्टर थे. We were having two factors ना.
सर आप क्वेश्चन बता सकते हो?
क्वेश्चन ये था a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर इनटू क्या था भाई?
Square plus c square.
b स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर प्लस d स्क्वायर, ये था इज इक्वल.
अच्छा सॉरी सर, समझ में आ गया. हाँ सर आ गया समझ. मैंने वो कॉमन ले लिया गलती से.
नहीं कॉमन नहीं, एडिशन मल्टीप्लिकेशन है तो होल स्क्वायर लगेगा.
हाँ सर वो कंफ्यूज हो गया.
ठीक, चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लिखिए. 3 numbers whose sum is 15. 3 numbers whose sum is 15 are in AP. Are in AP. If 1, 4 and 19. If 1, 4 and 19 are added to them, respectively, they form a GP. They form a GP. Find what are the numbers. Find what are the 3 numbers we have.
सर मतलब we have to add these numbers, वो individual terms के अंदर add होंगे.
Yes.
या इनके sum में.
ना individual. First they are saying 3 numbers in AP. बोलो कौन से number लूं?
A minus R A.
A minus D.
A and A plus D, because their sum is known. So let these 3 numbers are in AP. Then their sum is 15. So A minus D plus A and A plus D comes out to be 15. Then I got it 3A comes out to be 15. So A is coming 5. That means our numbers are 5 minus D, 5 and 5 plus D. Now in these numbers we had 1, 4, 19. So what I do here, 5 minus D plus 1, then 5 plus 4, and then 5 plus D plus 19. What it will come? 6 minus D, this will be 9, and then 24.
Yes, sir.
D. They are in what now?
GP. So square of first.
They
GP.
are in GP. If they are in GP, that means now you can use the property what it says. This into this will be 9 square. So I write down 6 minus D into 24 plus D comes out to be 9 square. 24 into 6, is it 144? Yes. Then come out to be plus of 6D minus 24D minus D square will come out to be 81. Take all the terms on one side, so this side is 0. What it will come? D square.
Plus 18R.
Then come out to be plus of 18R. 18D.
Minus 18. So
And then 81 minus 144
60.
minus 60.
21 and 21 and minus.
Now we will do the middle term splitting and find out what the factors are. So it will come out.
Sir, 21D and minus 3D.
Yes, 21D minus of 3D minus 63 coming 0. D common here, so it will be D plus 21. Minus 3 common, D plus 21. So D is coming 3 and D is coming minus 21. A is already known 5. Yes or no? So we will put the number when you put it 3. When D is 3, so here I got 2, 5 and 8. When you have D as minus 21,
20.
here I've got 26, then 5 minus 20,
Minus 16.
16. Yes.
Sir, minus 16 हो जाएगा.
Yes. Next question, please. If A, B, C are in AP, if A, B, C are in AP, and P, Q are, X, Y, Z are in GP, A, B, C are in AP, and P, Q, R are in GP. Then show that. Then show X power B minus C into Y power C minus A into Z power A minus B equal to 1. Yes?
Sir, X, Y, Z are in GP. Yeah.
Sorry, ये X Y Z ही बोला है मैंने, गलत लिख दिया. X Y Z are in GP. Correct the question, please. A, B, C are in AP, X, Y, Z are in GP. We have to prove X power B minus C, Y power C minus A, Z power A minus B come out to be 1. ये आपको prove करना है.
Sir, it is Z power A minus B.
Z power A minus B, yes.
ठीक है.
First, we will write what the conditions known to us. AP means twice B is A plus C. What this will show?
Y square is x into z.
Y square is x into z. I want this result as to be 1. So what I do here in this case, x power b minus c. Y की वैल्यू हम root of x z लिख सकते हैं कि नहीं?
Yes.
So I put it here, root of x z power c minus a and z power a minus b.
C by multiply to
Then we will write x power b minus c. This will come x into z power c minus a by 2. And then z power a minus b.
power.
Then what I get here, x power b minus c into x power c minus a by 2 into z power c minus a by 2 into z power a minus b. Yes or no? Combine the terms of x. So x power, what it will come? B minus c plus c minus a by 2. And z power is c minus a by 2 plus a minus b. Is it right? Then we will write this as x by 2 is the LCM. So 2b minus 2c plus c minus a. Z power 2 is the LCM, it will be c minus a plus twice a minus twice b. When you solve it, it will come x power 2b minus c minus a by 2. Here it will come z power c plus a minus 2b by 2.
2b c plus 0.
Here we have 2b is c plus a. We have already done this condition with us. 2b is a plus c. तो यहाँ 2b है तो ये plus c कट जाएगा. And here also c plus a can be written as 2b. So I'll write x power, it will be c plus a minus c minus a by 2. Here it will come z is 2b minus 2b by 2. X power 0, z power 0. Coming out to be. Next question, please. If A, B, C are in GP, if A, B, C are in GP, and X and Y are arithmetic mean between AB and BC. X and Y are arithmetic mean between AB and BC. ABC GP. Then my question is prove that A by X plus C by Y equal to 2. This is the first part we have to prove. And second part we have to prove as 1 by X plus 1 by Y comes out to be 2 by V.
Sir, that is arithmetic mean, sir.
Yes, these are arithmetic mean.
तो सर जीपी में एएम कैसा आएगा?
वो अभी हमने किया नहीं है, जीएम नहीं किया अभी, जीएम करेंगे अभी.
अच्छा.
A and B के बीच में arithmetic mean है X, B and C will have the arithmetic mean as Y. A, B, C are in GP, then you should bring these two results. If this is the arithmetic mean, what x should be?
X minus S. A minus.
A plus b by 2. अर्थमेटिक मीन सिंगल अर्थमेटिक मीन है, कैसे निकलता है? दिस प्लस दिस बाय 2, या फिर आप लिखो x माइनस a विल बी b माइनस x बिकॉज दिस विल बी इन AP, ये रिजल्ट आ जाएगा. सेम वे व्हाट इज y वी हैव एज b प्लस c बाय 2. अनदर कंडीशन वी हैव दैट इज b स्क्वायर इज ac, ये भी आपको दिया हुआ है. Now I want a by x plus c by y should come as 2.
Sir, 2 further difference.
तो पहले x की वैल्यू निकालें, तो यहाँ रेसिप्रोकल किया जा सकता है. We will say 1 by x will be 2 by a plus b. और यहाँ हम ले लें 1 by y equal to 2 by b plus c. पहले मैं ये वाला रिजल्ट प्रूव कर रहा हूँ, फिर दूसरा वाला करो. I have 1 by x plus 1 by y. So what I should write here? 2 by a plus b plus 2 by b plus c. And now we will take the LCM here. It will be a plus b into b plus c. Then it will come twice of b plus c plus twice of a plus b. Now when you solve it, what it will come? 2b plus 2c,
Sir, 4.
2a plus 2b. And in the denominator we have ab plus ac plus b square plus bc. Yes or no? I want numerator should give 2 and denominator should give b. तो नीचे से b कॉमन आना चाहिए. हमारे पास b स्क्वायर इज ac है.
2b square.
अब पहले तो इसको देखो, 2b plus 2b क्या बन गया?
4b.
4b plus 2c plus 2a.
2b square.
And here it is ab.
AC to b square.
AC को आप b स्क्वायर लिखो, तो इस सब में b कॉमन निकालना है, तो we will write b स्क्वायर. ये रहा आपके पास, AC will write b स्क्वायर plus of b square and then plus of bc. Numerator will give 2 common now. Left is what? 2b plus c plus a. And here we will take b common. What left?
A.
A plus b plus b plus c. Sorry,
Sir, 2b and same.
ये सही किया है?
हाँ.
अब ये देखो 2b a plus c है, ये भी 2b a plus c है. So these two terms clearly cancel out. Your answer is coming 2 by. Now we go for second part of this question. Second part of the question, what is changed here? A by x and c by y to be added. So I'll remove this. अब ये हो गया सबका. Now I'll take a by x plus c by y can be written as a into 1 by x, c into 1 by y. Value of 1 by x I'll put here, a into 2 by a plus b, c into 2 by b plus c. Then we have it is a plus b into b plus c. 2 आपका बाहर ले लो. क्या रह गया अब यहाँ पे? a into b plus c और यहाँ आएगा c into a plus b. Yeah. Now we will solve it further. Twice is here. This will come AB plus of AC plus of AC plus of BC. And here it will come out to be AB plus AC plus B square plus of BC.
B square plus
ये देखो ए बी है, यहाँ ए सी है, और बी स्क्वायर को आप ए सी लिख सकते हैं कि नहीं? You can write b square as AC, तो ये AC हो गया, तो now these all four terms matched. So your result is simply coming as 2. Next question, write down please. A, B, C are in GP. A, B, C are in GP. And A power 1 by X will be equal to B power 1 by Y equal to C power 1 by Z. Question is, prove that X, Y, Z are in AP. This is the question we have. Tomorrow we'll finish out this GP chapter, and after that special sequence are not in the syllabus, so we will be going on next chapter. X, Y, Z are in AP, we have to prove. This is the condition given, this is given. What this indicate? B square is AC. Right or no?